When Rose was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, we didn't know what to expect or how fast it could progress. It was a scary time for the family.
My diagnosis was upsetting for everyone. The twins had just graduated from college. They were settled with new jobs, and we were back to being us again. We didn't know what challenges we'd face with this diagnosis. It felt like our life had come to a screeching halt.
But I wouldn't have it. We worked through my MS issues on a daily basis. And now, whatever we faced with Rose's rheumatoid arthritis, we're going to conquer that too. We're not going to stop living. We worked too hard. We're going to continue to enjoy our lives.
I'm a runner, so I thought that my aches and pains were from running, but they persisted, and mobility became my greatest challenge. Some days just walking is painful.
Aside from therapy, I knew I had to come up with a solution that would help Rose out on the days she wasn't moving as well as she normally does. And I immediately thought of my dad's mobility scooter. But I couldn't mention that to Rose because she would have balked. I mean, this woman's a marathon runner. The only place I could turn was to our local medical provider. We discussed Rose's needs and her mobility challenges. And I came home with a ZooMe scooter. And boy, was I taking a chance on that one.
He sure did. Tom knew I would never be open to a traditional mobility scooter.
Rose's rheumatoid arthritis is unpredictable. We needed a scooter that was ultra lightweight, compact, and even easy for Rose to manage on her bad days.
I can take it anywhere. The ZooMe folds with one easy motion, and it fits in really tight spaces.
It has flat-free tires and anti-tip wheels, and that's what really sold me. We never have to worry when we're out or traveling for the weekend.
Tom also knew that I would like its style and comfort features. The backrest seat and handles are soft and durable. I can adjust the tiller so that the angle is perfect for me.
The scooter is flexible for our everyday use, and it also accommodates our weekend travel trips.
Tom knew he was taking his chances, bringing the ZooMe home sight unseen. Well, he was taking a chance on us, but me really, so that I could continue to live the life I want, even with the challenge we will be facing with my rheumatoid arthritis.